All right. So actually, these questions, well, let's work on them. Okay, hopefully they work out nicely. So there wasn't a video on this, and Michael, again, I apologize. I didn't make a video for you. Now I'm making it, so hopefully it'll help you out. But I'm glad you did try it. Okay. So the first one, I'm gonna set it up right here. Right. So it's always gonna be, let's see. I'm gonna write for the letter P for part and the letter T for total. Okay. A student earned 60% on the math test that had 20 problems. How many problems on this test did the student answer correctly? So, hubo un examen, había 20 problemas y él tomó una nota de 60. ¿Cuántas preguntas tuvo correctas? So, how many questions did he have correctly? Oh, vamos a poner los números. Let's put the numbers. So, 60% goes here. Now, this one you have to ask 20. The math test in examen tuvo 20 problemas. They had 20 questions, 20 problems. Is that the part or the total? That obviously is the part. Sorry, total. Sorry, it's the total. Es el total, right? So, de 20, ¿cuánto tuvo correcto? Out of 20, how many did it get correct? So, we're going this way. 100 transformado en 20, ¿cómo? Divide by 5. Y aquí, we're going to divide by 5. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So on the test, did 20 preguntas from 20 questions, how many did he get correct? 12. Okay, so there are 30 carpinteros. I hope that's how you say it in Spanish. Part, total. 30 carpenters. On a certain day, 18 vinieron a trabajar. De 30, 18 vinieron a trabajar. ¿Qué porcentaje es eso? 18 out of the 30 carpenters came to work. So, I love this phone. So, what percent came to? What percent came to work? So, how many people? There are 30 carpinteros. How many? ¿Cuántos vinieron? 18. The percent is la porcentaje es lo que queremos. So, let's do this. Now, 30 multiplicado por 100 is times what is 100? No sabemos, ¿no? So we can simplify 18 over 30. A ver si nos ayuda. Divide by 6. Let's try 6. Divide by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So we're going to cambiar esto. What? 3 over 5. Now we can find the relationship. 5 por cuánto es 100? Times what? Times 20. And over here, times 20. 3 times 20 is 60. So 18 people vinieron a trabajo de 30. ¿Qué porcentaje es esto? That's 16%. Okay, next one. So I hope you're getting used to this. So again, 100% part total. So a metal bar, una barra, pesa 40 ounces. Okay, 40 ounces es una medida. Right? 95, so imaginen una barra de silver. ¿Cómo se dice silver? Plata, right? Una barra, un pedazo de metal, de plata. All right? 90, so de todo esto, casi todo, almost, casi todo es plata, hecho de plata. Casi todo, 95%. So how many ounces of silver in the bar? So la barra toda no es toda de plata. Hay un poquito que es otro material. There's a little bit is another material. So we want to know de los 40 ounces, ¿cuántos ounces son plata, hecho de plata? Right? So percent we have? 95. 40 ounces is el total. So, el total de 40, ese pesa 40 ounces, ¿no? So, de 40 ounces, ¿cuánto es plata? How much is silver? And that's what we're going to find out. So, again, can we make our lives easier? Podemos facilitar nuestra vida para simplify. Can you find something? 100 dividido por cuánto es 40? Mejor no. So let's see. Let's simplify. Well, let's simplify 95 over 100. Divide by 5, right? Todos ustedes, you're going to say divide by 5. So 95 divided by 5 is 19. 100 divided by 5 is 20. You're going to see that that's a little bit better. So we're going to change that. We're going to write 19. 100 is going to be 20. Look how easier. Muera como más fácil. De 20 para 40, 20 to 40 is times 2. So here, times 2. And eso es 19. Right, sorry, no es 9, 19, perdón. So 19 times 2 is 38. So la barra, the metal, 95% is silver. Right, so casi todos de los 40 ounces, 38 ounces son hechos de plata. Okay, it's tomorrow if I remember and I can find it. I'll show you my a copper bar. I think I have it. Let me just I'll take it out so I can remember. I don't have to copper. Don't ask me why I have. I do, and I'll show it to you. Okay, I'll take it and leave it up right here. Okay, so that was question 3. Question 4. A student got 14 answers correct and got 98%. How many questions were on the test? Un estudiante sacó una nota buenísima del 98%. Él tuvo 14 problemas correctos. ¿Cuántas preguntas había en el test? So, part, total. He got 98, so let's put 98. Vamos a poner 98 aquí. 98% sacó el niño. He got 14 correct. Sacó 14 problemas correctos. 14 is the total or the part? 14 is the part. Okay? Queremos saber, we want to know how many problems were on the test. ¿Cuántos problemas estaba en el examen? So here is our missing part. Okay, so let's see if we can do this. 98. Can we go? Let's see. How can we simplify this? Oh my God. So let's divide this by 2, right? 98 over 100. Let's divide that by 2. 98 dividido por 2 is 49. And 49 and 100 divided by 2 is 50. Yuck. That's not going to help us much. Un momentito. Does that help me with anything? 49, 15. 15. Yeah, I can do it. Give it. So, sorry. Now, how can 49 become 14? Is that going to help me? 49 divided by something? Yeah. So, if you use a calculator, ¿cómo que 49 se transforma en 14? We're going to divide that by 3.5. 49 divided by 3.5 is 14. So, aquí abajo, here at the bottom, we're going to do the same thing. Divided by 3.5. 50 divided by 3.5. Please use your calculators. Something is wrong. Divided by 3.5 equals 14.28. Hang on a second, guys. 14, that's okay. I still an answer. Okay. Receive grade 98. That's fine. 14 divided by 3.5. Momentito, señores. Give me a second, please. 14. Just 1 second, guys. Why is this not working? It is, I mean, actually, the answer is 14.2. There were 14.2 questions, and that's what it's saying here. But 14.2. So if we divide 50 dividido por 3.5 es 14.2. I was hoping for a better number. Oh, that's the answer. That's the answer. Okay. 5. Manuel bought a car, compró un coche. Okay. And 100% part total. He bought the car for 65% of the original price. Okay. The original price es 7,200, pero él no pagó todo eso, pagó parte de eso, 65%. Entonces, ¿cuánto pagó él? How much did he pay the car? He paid 65% of 7,200. So, 65% es cuánto pagó él. The total, the original price of the car, era 7,200, 7,200. But he didn't pay that much. He paid part of it, right? So let's find the part. Well, that one is sort of easy, times 72. And on top, it's going to be times 72. So 65 times 72. 65 times 72 is 4,680. And that's how much that's how much Manuel paid for the car. Okay. 6. A crew, un grupo, tiene 8 hombres y un cierto número de mujeres. 40% son hombres. ¿Cuántas personas hay en el grupo? So a group is made of 8 men and a few women. 40% of the crew are men. How many people are in the crew? All right, so let's set this up. 100%, 100% part total. We want to know the total. ¿Cuántas personas hay en el grupo? So this part over here, is going to be el vacío, que es la parte de que quiero, del total, right? So the percent, what do I know? The percent is 40%. And 40% es quién? ¿Quién es 40%? Son los 8 hombres. So I'm going to put 8 over here. And now we find the relationship. So 40 se transforma en 8. 40 becomes 8. Divide by 5. And here, we're going to divide by 5. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 20 people in the group. 8 son hombres. 8 are men. Can I find cuántas son mujeres? Bueno, sería 20 menos 8. And it's going to give me 12. And 12 would be the number of women. Si fuera una pregunta todavía que existiría, que pueden preguntar también. Right? If they wanted to know the number of women, we can say there are 12 women in this group. Okay, taxes, impuestos. Todos nosotros pagamos impuestos. So, let's see. 100% part total. Ben gana 12,800 al año. He makes 12,800 per year. 15% tiene que pagar de impuesto. 15% he has to pay in taxes. So how much is he going to pay for taxes? Okay, so 15%, So is 12,800 the part or the total? Well, 12,800 is the total. Queremos descubrir la parte que va a pagar de impuestos. We want to find the part that he's going to pay in taxes. So this one is simple. Times 128. So here it's going to be times 128. 15 times 128 equals 1,920. So how much taxes, cuánto impuesto va a pagar el señor? 1,920. $32 kids in the class. Hay 32 alumnos en la clase. 9 are women. What percent are men? So, si hay 32 niños en la clase, minus 9 women, menos las 9 mujeres, ¿sobra cuánto? Sobra 23. So there are 23 hombres en la clase, right? ¿Qué porcentaje es esto? So what percent is that? So 100%. Here is, ¿cómo se dice? Aquí 0%. Here's part and total. So how many people in this class? Sorry. There are 32 people. Hay 32 personas en la clase. How many men? 23 men. Is that right? Yeah, 23 men. So what's the percent? ¿Cuál es el porcentaje? Ugh. Really? They give us... how are we going to multiply this? Oh, jeez. Okay, so this one, we're going to have to do something different. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. If you look at 23 over 32, no podemos simplificar. We cannot divide. No hay número para dividir. There's no number to divide. Okay, so when instead of dividing, I'm going to multiply. Lo voy a hacer más grande. Okay, now follow me. I'm going to multiply. Voy a multiplicar por ese número, por 100. I multiply by 100. Mira que me da. Me sale 2,300 and 3,200. Okay, so I'm going to change. Voy a cambiar esto y esto. I'm going to write 3,200 and 2,300. 2,300. Now I ask you, podemos encontrar una relación. Yes? ¿Cómo que 3,200 se transforma en 100? I can divide that by 32. And I can divide now the top by 32. So 23, 2,300 dividido por 32. The percentage is 71.82%. 71.82%. Softball team jugó 75 juegos. They played 75 games y ganaron 54 juegos. What percent did they lose? So if you play 75 games, si juegas 75, ganaste 54 minus 54, quiere decir que 21 perdiste. So you lost 21, right? 75 games, ganaste 54. Entonces quiere decir que perdiste 21. You lost 21. So let's find the percent. What percent did you lose? Well, 100 part total. Total games, total de juegos, 75. ¿Cuánto perdí? How many did I lose? 21. So now we need the percent, right? We need the percent. Can I divide by anything? I can divide by 3. Yeah, I can divide by 3. Meeting. So over here, 21 over 75. Let me divide that by 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 75 divided by 3 is 25. I can use this. Puedo usar eso. So I'm going to write 3. Write 25. Times what? 25 por cuánto es 100? Times 4. So aquí arriba, times 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. So, ¿qué porcentaje perdí? Well, there's something wrong here. No, guys, should be a little bit more. Hang on a second. Oh, this is a 7. It says on 7. Sorry, this should be a 7. 7 times 4 is 28. So my apologies. Let me write that. So remember, over here is 7. So here, times 4 equals 28. 28. So what percent of the games did I lose? I lost 28%. All right, a little bit long. I'm sorry, but I guess, remember, this was due last Monday. Era de la semana pasada que ustedes tenían que hacer. Last question. Shannon paid $8,400 in taxes, which equal to 28% of her annual income. What was her income last year? Another way of thinking. El año pasado ella pagó $8,400 de impuestos. Okay. ¿Cuánto ganó ella de dinero? So remember, trabajamos, ganamos dinero y una parte pagamos de impuestos. So we work, we make money, and a part of that we pay for taxes. Yeah? So if you think about it, last year she paid 28%. So I'm going to put it over here. So again, she paid $8,400 in taxes. That's the part that she paid. How much money did she make? ¿Cuánto ganó ella para pagar $8,400 en impuestos? How much did she make to pay that much in taxes? So let's see if there's a relationship. Yes, there is. Oh, thank God. 28 por cuánto times what? It's times 300. So this at the bottom también va a ser times 300. So how much did she make last year? She made $30,000. Ganó $30,000 and she paid $8,400 in taxes. Hope that helps, guys. That's it.